to the ball.
And they can feel it here.
For the first time in Toronto Raptors' 24-year history, they will be headed to the NBA Finals. Milwaukee just took a timeout.
17 rebounds and 7 assists.
And let's not forget about the man that's been here through the ups and downs, through the LeBron beating them down years, Kyle Lowry.
Congratulations to the 2019 Eastern Conference champions, Toronto Raptors.
The guys who have been the champions, the Golden State Warriors, what is your early feeling on that matchup in the NBA Finals?
We came all this way to compete, and we want to win in Toronto, and we will win in Toronto.
One more thing. How'd that Kawhi Leonard trade work out for you?
He's been unbelievable. He's the best player in the league. And we're happy he's in Toronto.
Is Nick Nurse in the house here? When you look at this game, and I know that your head coach Nick Nurse has said, look, even keel. When things are going well, don't get too carried away. When they're down, don't get down. Tell me what was happening when you were down 15 points late in the third quarter and what the mindset was on this team.
We was here last game in the third quarter, fourth quarter, and we just strived at it. We enjoyed the moment. We went out there and played hard every possession. And my teammates had my back. I went on the bench just to start that fourth quarter. They came back and made a run. Fred hit big shots, Norm. You seen Kalo hit 2 big threes back to back, and Serge rebounding, Mark hitting threes. It's just a collective effort, and that's our mindset going in, just playing hard each possession.
You've been a Finals MVP before. This is a pretty special situation when you come to a team like this that's never been there, and now you're heading there. How has that registered with you?
It's still surreal to me right now. We just won Game 6, but this is what we've been striving for all season. Everybody here wants to get to the finals and win it. It's not over yet. So we're going to enjoy the win tonight, go in the locker room, and see what we got to do tomorrow for the next team.
Congratulations, Kawhi. Now, Kyle. I'll let you enjoy that. Man, you're going to the NBA Finals for the first time in your career. That's not bad. To go to the NBA Finals for the first time in your career, tell me what this means.
It means a lot. I've been here the longest now, 7 years. It's been the best 7 years of my career. These fans have been here since day one, since I've been here. And this group of guys we got back here was special. We worked extremely hard. And, the fans have given us everything we needed tonight. Our families, our friends, we're not satisfied though. This is one step to our end goal.
Any message for some of our closest friends now are these folks who hang out in Jurassic Park, and they were lined up around the block to have a chance to watch you guys on a screen today.
We got the best fans in the world. We got the best fans in the world. There's not much more I can say to that. Thank you guys. Jurassic Park, we out there. We see y'all in a little bit. We appreciate everything. Everybody in here, let's go.
Congrats on going to the NBA Finals. The Eastern Conference champions 2019, the Toronto Raptors.
These fans may want to stay here all night.